Choose an AI persona to shape the tone and style of the content we will generate for you in the later stages. Please locate a flat, non-reflective surface and tap to position your AI assistant. Welcome to the AI Supercharged Explore Wizard. I will help you learn about your surroundings. Please start by setting up a persistent anchor. In a few words, tell me what is the topic of this experience.
Bicycle repair.
To repair a bicycle, start by inspecting the bicycle tire for any punctures or damage. If a puncture is found, remove the tire and patch it. Use a bicycle pump to inflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Check the bicycle chain and gears, applying a small amount of lubricant from the WD-40 can to ensure smooth operation. Tighten any loose bolts using a wrench, focusing on the handlebars, seat, and wheels. Finally, test ride the bicycle to ensure everything functions correctly. Regular maintenance with these tools will keep your bicycle in good condition.
Can you point at the wrench?
The wrench is lying on the workbench, next to the bicycle pump. It's a sturdy tool, essential for adjusting bolts on the bicycle. Nearby, the bicycle tire rests against the wall, ready for maintenance. The WD-40 can is also within reach, useful for loosening any stubborn parts.